In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design emails in GoHighLevel. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account, then head over to your Launchpad. This is your main starting area, and from here, we'll navigate to everything we need to build and send a professional email campaign. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the marketing section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all your communication tools live. Inside marketing, you'll see an option for emails. Go ahead and click on emails so we can work specifically with email campaigns. Next, you'll see a few tabs or options related to emails. Click on campaigns. This is where you can create, manage, and track your email broadcasts. To start a new one, click on the Create Campaign button. This opens up the setup flow for a brand new email. You'll now be asked to choose how you want to begin. Select the blank option, which is the default from scratch template. This gives you full control over the layout and design, instead of starting from a pre-built layout. After choosing blank, you'll see three different editor options: the design editor, the code editor, and the plain text editor. Click on select under the option that best suits how you want to work. If you're not sure, the design editor is usually the easiest because it's drag and drop. Inside the design editor, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a panel with all your elements, such as text blocks, images, buttons, dividers, and more. These are the building blocks of your email. To start designing, click on an element, like a text element, and drag it onto the email canvas in the main area. Drop it where you want it to appear. As soon as you drop that text element, you'll see customization options appear, usually on the right-hand side or in a settings panel. Here you can change things like background color, padding, fonts, and alignment. Take a moment to adjust these so your email matches your brand style. Continue building your layout by dragging another element, like an image or button, onto the email and arranging it where it makes the most sense for your message. At the top of the screen, you'll see an untitled campaign name. Click the little pen icon next to that and give your campaign a clear internal name so you can easily recognize it later. Once you're happy with the design, click on Preview. This lets you see what your email will look like to your recipients. Check spacing, colors, and how it appears on desktop, and, if available, mobile preview. When everything looks good, click on Send or Schedule. This takes you to the final setup screen. Here, click into the sender name field and type in the name you want people to see in their inbox. Then, in the sender email field, enter the email address you want to send from. Make sure this is an address that's verified and monitored. Next, click into the subject line field and write a clear, compelling subject. Under that, fill in the preview text field. This is the short snippet many email clients show next to the subject, so use it to reinforce your main message or call to action. When those details are in place, click on Review and Send. On this final step, you'll choose which contacts or lists should receive the email and confirm all the details. Once you're satisfied, you can either send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later